In this lecture, let's see why technical ranking matters in a SEO. Technical factors are just like an entry ticket when you enter inside a theme park. In technical factors, we only talk about the on page optimization of your website and not about the content. There is a separate section for content. Technical factors are not so crucial factors to get higher rankings in search engine results, but they are very essential to enter into the search engine results. You could have heard everywhere that content is king. Yes, I do accept. But without these technical factors, just having good content will not take you to better search engine rankings. Keywords are getting their importance decline day by day. I will explain this through a simple time was a luxury 2 to 3 years back, which is an essential commodity now. So let's see how we can improve and implement all these technical factors inside our websites.